In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make easy standard operating procedures, also known as SOPs, in Asana. Setting up SOPs in Asana is a powerful way to streamline tasks, enhance team collaboration, and ensure consistency across your processes. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to set up a dedicated project within Asana to house all of your SOPs. Creating a new project will provide a centralized location for all your procedures, making it easy for team members to access and follow them. It's a good idea to give this project a clear title, such as Standard Operating Procedures or simply Team SOPs, so that everyone knows exactly where to look. Depending on your team's preference, you can choose either a list or a board view for your project. Generally, for detailed step-by-step SOPs, the list view is often more practical and easier to navigate. Next, you'll want to create sections for each SOP within your project. Consider dividing these SOPs by categories or departments to keep things organized. For instance, you might have sections like content creation, customer service, or marketing. Each section can represent a different area of operation within your organization. Now, let's talk about adding tasks for each SOP within these sections. For each procedure you have, create a task that embodies the SOP itself. Make sure to title each task clearly with the name of the SOP, such as how to onboard a new employee or social media posting process. This way, the task's purpose is immediately evident. Within each task, use the description area to outline the step-by-step instructions for the process. This is where you can provide all the necessary details to ensure the process is followed correctly. Breaking down SOPs into actionable steps is essential for clarity. To do this, create subtasks for each specific step within your SOP. This approach helps in managing larger tasks by dividing them into manageable chunks. For example, if you're documenting an SOP for content publishing, your subtasks could include researching the content topic, writing the content, editing and proofreading, scheduling the post, and monitoring post performance. You might also want to include due dates or assign these subtasks to specific team members, which helps ensure each step is completed in a timely manner. Finally, collaboration and review are key components in refining your SOPs. Once your SOP is drafted, share it with your team to gather feedback. You can assign tasks to individual team members to ensure each aspect of the SOP is followed thoroughly. Don't forget to periodically review and update your SOPs to keep them current with any changes in processes or personnel. By taking these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a well-organized and efficient system for your SOPs in Asana. Thanks for joining me today, and best of luck streamlining your team's operations.